Title: The Bone and the Bridge. Format: single scene, 3-minute short, English. Tone: quiet, cinematic, spoken word with minimal SFX. Midnight to 0:05. Soft river murmur, distant cicadas. Narrator: whisper close in a quiet village. A greedy dog had everything, except contentment. 0:06 to 0:20. Wooden bridge planks creak as paws trot. Narrator: one blazing noon, he trots home, jaws locked around a juicy bone he snatched from the butcher's back step. 0:21 to 0:35. Panting fades, silence except for river. Narrator: mid-bridge, he stops. Sunlight glints on the water like scattered coins. And there, he sees it. 0:36 to 0:50. Subtle water ripple SFX. Narrator: another dog, staring up, snarling, clutching a bone twice the size. The greedy heart skips. That one should be mine. 0:51 to 1:05. Low growl layers under heartbeat. Narrator: no thought, no pause. Just fury. He bares teeth. He barks. 1:06 to 1:10. Sharp intake of breath. Narrator: opens his mouth. 1:11 to 1:15. Splash. Water swallows sound. Narrator: the real bone, gone. The reflection, gone. Silence. 1:16 to 1:30. Cicadas swell, then retreat. Narrator: he stares at the empty river, empty paws, empty belly. Greed spoke. Loss answered. 1:31 to 2 o'clock. Gentle wind through reeds. Narrator: soft, almost to the dog. You had enough. But enough was never enough. Now you have nothing. 2:01 to 2:45. Fade to quiet lapping water. Narrator: and the river keeps moving, teaching the same lesson to every thirsty shadow that leans too far. 2:46 to 3 o'clock. Fade out to single cicada. Narrator: final breath wanting too much, often leaves you with nothing.